Get aquatic, everyone! Tonight we're going to draw the Kraken from the original Ben 10 series. This aquatic beast was only found in one episode of Ben 10. And, well, basically this creature was a very popular... Well, it was a very popular being at the Ben 10 series when it first fought against Ripjaws. Alexa, what is a Kraken?
According to Wikipedia, the Kraken is a legendary sea monster of gigantic size and cephalopod-like appearance in Scandinavian folklore. According to the Norse sagas, the Kraken dwells off the coasts of Norway and Greenland and terrorizes nearby sailors. Authors over the years have postulated that the legend may have originated from sightings of giant squids that may grow to 13 to 15 meters in length.
At first I thought that a Kraken was that as well, like some kind of dragon. I never realized that Krakens come in many different forms. Alexa, play something by PJ Masks.
Shuffling songs by PJ Masks on Amazon Music.
Let's go! My name is Romeo, I'm number one, and there ain't no one who can spoil my fun. I've got a robot, I call the shots. When it comes to Peterman, I'm on top. I am gonna take over the world. 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 It's time to be a hero. With super moves and cool girl power, she rescues friends at the darkest hour. She can fly and she can see anything. I'm alive. Action first, ask questions later. Classy, flashy faces, danger in the night. She blows those villains out of sight. I'm a wing. Hey, outlet, amazing outlet. On the move, she's a high-flying hero with just a flap of her wings. She can do anything. Super owl wings. Hey, outlet, amazing outlet. With PJ Masks, she always comes through with spotting clues, awesome moves. In the night, she saves the day. Hey, outlet. Here comes Cowboy, he's on his way. The super cat speed, he's gonna save the day. Jump so high through the air. He's the fastest hero with the feline flair. Don't you worry, he's there in a hurry. Like a speeding
And done. There he is. That is how you draw the Kraken from Ben 10. Turns out this creature wasn't so scary after all. It was trying to protect its family. That's a really sweet thing. I'm glad I got to draw this character, because I've got more like him on the way. Anyways, I better get ready. I've got a meeting to apprehend at 11. I'll see you later.